Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube directly on your car's display using an awesome app called CarTube. Before we dive in, a quick reminder to always stay focused on the road and avoid distractions while driving. CarTube allows you to stream YouTube and other platforms right on your car's screen. The setup is simple. Just connect your device via Bluetooth or a wired connection with CarPlay, and you're good to go. It's easy to install and use, so stick around for the full step-by-step tutorial to get started. Let's start by optimizing some settings. Open your device's settings and go to Battery. Check that low power mode is turned off to avoid impacting the app's performance. Then go back to the main settings menu, select General and tap Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting ensures the app can refresh its content in the background, allowing it to operate smoothly. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to tweakoapp.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for CarTube and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button, and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful, and the app was downloaded and you can see it on the screen. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you, and see you in my next video.